To do that, you will need to transfer a minimum of 11,172 euro into this special bank account. Ideally, the funds in the blocked account should be sufficient to cover expenses such as accommodation, living expenses, and transportation passes for students studying in Germany. Often, students get confused if they can use the blocked account money for paying the tuition fee. Hey there folks, do you know that many public universities in Germany have zero tuition fees? However, opening a blocked account is a mandatory requirement for all the students applying to a German university. It serves as a proof of financial stability and ensures that you have sufficient funds to cover your living expenses during your stay in Germany. Hi friends, this is Aman Jain. I am one of the founding members at GyanDhan. Today, in this video, I am going to dive into the detail of Germany blocked account, a crucial requirement for abroad education loan aspirants. Watch this video till the end to understand the minimum funds required and the alternatives of Germany blocked account. But hey, before I move forward, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. So first thing first, what exactly is a Germany blocked account? Well, simply put, it's a special kind of bank account that is mandatory for all non-European students and some other individuals who wish to live and work in Germany. This account acts as proof that you have sufficient financial resources to cover your living expenses while you are in the country. Now, you might be wondering, what is the need of a Germany blocked account? In the first place, the German government wants to ensure that international students can support themselves during their stay without becoming a burden on their country's social welfare system. And so, they require you to deposit a certain amount of money into this blocked account, which you can only access in installments each month. To do that, you will need to transfer a minimum of 11,172 euro into this special bank account. Think of it as your financial safety net while you are there. But here is the twist. You can't touch that money until you are actually in Germany. Now, once you all set up, you won't be left high and dry. You can withdraw 931 euro each month to cover your living expenses. It's like giving yourself a monthly allowances to stay afloat in Germany. Pro tip, it's a good idea to put a bit more than the minimum required amount in the Germany blocked account. Why? Well, banks might sneak in some service charges here and there when you open the account. So having a buffer is a smart move. Ideally, the funds in the blocked account should be sufficient to cover expenses such as accommodation, living expenses, and transportation passes for students studying in Germany. Next, let us understand how to open a Germany blocked account. For your better understanding, we have broken down the whole process into 5 simple steps. Step 1. Choose a bank. Select a reputable German bank or service provider such as Fintiba, Expectrio that offers blocked account services. Some popular banks including Deutsche Bank, Commerce Bank and Deutsche Credit Bank, etc. Step 2. You have to complete the application form provided by the bank. The form typically requires personal information, proof of identity and details about your intended stay in Germany. Step 3. Once your application is approved, you will need to transfer the required amount of money in your blocked account. This sum, generally around 11,172 euro for 1 year, will be blocked and can only be accessed in the predefined monthly installments. Step 4. Gather all necessary documents such as your passport, admission letter and proof of address to submit along with your application. Step 5. Once the bank processes your application and receives the fund, they will provide you with a confirmation letter that verifies the existence of the blocked account. Once the German blocked account is opened, the bank would send a confirmation email with the details to the German embassy. Please note, you can use this confirmation letter to fulfill the financial requirement of your visa or work permit application. Opening a German blocked account can take from 15 minutes to several weeks depending on the type of player you go with. If you go through a partner named Fintiba, it hardly takes 15 minutes. Whereas you open it via banks, it can take up to several weeks. So guys, we personally suggest you to start early. Now, let us talk about assessing your funds. As I mentioned earlier, the money in your Germany blocked account is blocked for a specific period. Typically, you can withdraw a limited amount each month to cover your living expenses. This ensures that you have a steady source of funds during your stay. After you reach Germany, you need to open a savings account in any German bank, and once that is done, applicant needs to inform their bank with whom they have opened the block account about their saving account, and the bank will further validate your saving account and transfer about €930 every month to that saving account. Often, students get confused if they can use the blocked account money for paying the tuition fee. The simple answer is no. The blocked account is specifically made to cover up your living expenses in Germany. Tuition fee and other academic expenses should be paid separately to the educational institution. Well, to cover education related expenses, one of the safest and best option is to take an education. Wondering where to start from? Which is the best bank? What is the current rate of interest? Oof! So many questions. So your one-stop answer to all this question is GyanDhan, India's first education financing marketplace. We at GyanDhan take complete care of your education loan process, from selecting the right lender and type of loan to the actual disbursement. We've got you covered. Hey wait, are you worried about our fees? Well, we understand taking an education loan itself is a significant jump, and we don't want to burden you with any kind of additional expenses. Therefore, our education loan related services are completely free of cost. Now, we know that Germany blocked account is the go-to method, but guess what? There are some alternatives too. But here is the thing, these alternatives aren't a one-size-fits-all deal. The acceptance of these options can depend on your unique situation and what the German authorities are looking for. So let's explore these options one by one. Number one, proof of parental income and assets. Providing documented evidence of the income and assets of your parents or legal guardians may be accepted as an alternative to the blocked account. This demonstrates that you have a reliable source of financial support during your stay in Germany. Number two, letter of sponsorship. If you have a sponsor who is willing to cover all your expenses while in Germany, you may submit a letter of sponsorship as an alternative. The sponsor should provide a formal letter stating their commitment to financially support you throughout your stay, along with the supporting documents demonstrating their financial capabilities. Number three, recognized scholarship. If you are lucky enough to have been awarded a scholarship for your studies or work in Germany, the scholarship documentation can serve as proof of financial resources. Ensure that the scholarship meets the criteria specified by the German authorities. Remember, these alternatives can be a bit tricky. Hence, it is crucial to check with your university, employer or the German embassy to ensure that your chosen alternative will work with the authorities. Also, once you have completed your studies and leave Germany, you can close the blocked account and withdraw the remaining funds. Opening a blocked account in Germany is pretty much a must-do if you are an international student. But here is the deal. We get it. Financing your education can be a bit of a puzzle. That's where we come in. GyanDhan, your education finance superhero. Also, GyanDhan has partnered up with Fintiba that can help you open a blocked account in just 10 minutes. It is authorized by all German universities worldwide, and you can get instant blocking confirmation with Fintiba. You can also get customized health insurance for your stay in Germany and free travel health insurance worth up to €95. To know more, click on the link given in the description. Don't let money worries hold you back from your academic journey. Your dreams are worth it. Take the first step towards success today by checking your loan eligibility using the link in the description. We are here to make sure you are ready for an amazing adventure in Germany. So folks, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos. And as always, if you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, stay informed and make wise decisions. Go and seize your future.